Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to book your next holiday with First Loyalty Plus. I'm sure after the lockdown, you like most people would want to go on holiday. So it's quite simple. All you do is log in using your email address, and that will then take you to the home page of First Loyalty Plus. You will then click on the accommodation tab. And that will bring you up to the destination page. Now guys, this is where the fun begins. Okay, so you can type in anywhere that you would like to visit. I'm going to try Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, check-in date. I'm going to select a special date being February the 1st, February the 2nd. As for me and my partner, and click search. So in the meantime, what the system does, it searches all the results for the dates that we have selected. In a moment, we'll be able to see exactly how many resorts would come up for that date. And as you can see, there's a range of different places you could go to. So the first one that pops up is Breakers Resort, and that's in Umhlanga. And I'm actually looking for a booking in Umhlanga. But what catches my eye is the booking at the Palace, and that at 755 Rand. It's a beautiful resort with a stunning price. So click on Show Rooms. And as you can see, you have a range of different rooms available to you, all at a different price range. I'm going to go with the classic room with the double bed and sea view. It's 754 Rand 77 per night. And I get 15 rewards back, so I'm going to click Book Now. And a pop-up will come onto your screen showing you it's one night at First Group, the Palace All Suites, and it's added to your itinerary. You can now click View Cart. And in 4 simple steps, you'll be well on your way on that holiday. So the first step is review itinerary, second step is contact information, third page would be your payment details, and the fourth page is booking status. So confirm by your check-in date, Monday, February the 1st, and check-out date Tuesday, February the 2nd, and the payment on that is 754. You scroll down, there's a special request tab. You can type in a special request should you have a special request. Thereafter, proceed to click I have read and agreed to the above agreements and policies and statements. Click Continue. That will take you now to your second page. The second page is quite simple. It's your contact information. So while that loads, you can put in your spouse's name, the state or province, and click Continue. So that's your second step out of the way. You're now moving on to the third step, which is quite simple. Close to the finish line, you put in your card details. Obviously, if that is a Visa or a MasterCard, you get to select that, and you type in your card number, the CVV number at the back of the card, the last 3 digits, your billing postal code, and the name on the front of your card. You will then scroll down and click Continue, and that will then take you to the last and final page, which is for you to confirm your booking. And that's it, guys. In 4 simple steps, your booking is completed and you're well on your way on the next holiday, creating magical and lasting memories. Have a good one.